You don't want to miss this meal. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making chili cheese hot dogs and fries. Stay tuned. I'm making the delicious chili sauce that I spoon on top of the hot dogs and French fries. And it's real easy to make. I have 1 pound of ground beef in my saucepan, and I don't have my heat on yet. I'm adding in a total of 1 cup of water and giving it a good mix and stir. The water will help break down the granules of the meat and make it a finer texture. This is about a 1/3 cup of ketchup, about 2 teaspoons of prepared mustard, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and again giving that a good mix. For the seasonings, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of minced onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and this is a 1/2 teaspoon of beef bouillon, and this is going to add some richness. Giving that a good mix, and now I'm turning my heat to a medium and bringing this up to a simmer, cooking for about 15 minutes or until the liquid reduces. It is smelling good. The chili sauce is done, and this is the consistency that you're looking for. You want the chili sauce to lay on top of the hot dog. I'm using beef hot dogs tonight, and I gently sliced along the dog to make crevices so the sauce will lay into the hot dog. Cooking these in my grill pan tonight and getting some nice char. I like steamed or toasted buns for my chili cheese dogs. Tonight I'm toasting them and just lightly brushing with a little melted butter and sticking them under the broiler. And it's time to put this meal together. I'm using some fine grated sharp cheddar cheese, sprinkling some on the hot dog buns and on top of the French fries. Oh yeah, it's all about the cheese. Next are the hot dogs, and you can see how the slices opened up and are ready for the chili sauce. A couple good scoops of the chili sauce, and it smells really good. I like a drizzle of mustard. Of course, more cheese, and topped with the finely minced onions. Now that is a chili cheese hot dog. And if you missed it, let's make another one. By the way, hot dogs are made in pairs. We can't forget about the French fries. Spooning on a good portion of the chili sauce and topping with more cheese and chopped green onions. You can add on anything. Jalapenos, sour cream, bacon, whatever you like. This is a total comfort food, so make it how you like it. When you are grilling hot dogs, this is an easy and delicious chili sauce to serve as an option at the picnic table. I hope you give these chili cheese hot dogs and fries a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!